Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to have a story time and a tutorial at the end. And if you guys watched my candy collection, you know that I left out some special pieces of candy that I didn't show in those videos. And today I'm going to show you that candy. But first, I want to talk about the party where I got it. It was this warehouse party called Get It in Columbus, Ohio in 2001. And this is the flyer. And these were the DJs that were there. And I thought this was hilarious on the back here. It says, you must be 18 or with a written permission from a legal guardian. I thought that was hilarious. A lot of parties back in the day were all ages. And yeah, I had a good laugh when I saw that. Completely forgot because I was underage. I think I was, yeah, 15, 16. So I must have had, I must have wrote it myself, or maybe they didn't even check for it. It's been so long I don't even remember. But here's a picture of me at that party. And this is, I believe her name was Megan and Asia, my friend Ronnie. And the piece of candy was given to me by Dan. And he doesn't know this was one of my absolute favorite candies that I wore to countless parties. And his girlfriend at the time. And at that party, this was when I got home. This is my bed here, but I had my sister take a picture of this little bubbles that they drew on me at the event. Oh, and since I started the fashion videos, I thought it would be cool if I kind of went over a little bit of the fashion while I have these pictures out. So I have some videos planned. I've just been busy, so I haven't gotten them, but I do want to do more fashion videos. So something I wore to most parties were a collared shirt with UFO pants. Same, she's wearing a collared shirt, like a men's collared shirt with UFOs. And she's wearing UFOs. Or sometimes some like brand name stuff with UFOs. But everyone wore fat pants or UFOs. It looks like he had a striped sweater on with some fat pants. And both of them are wearing UFOs. You can't see his. I have some more pictures from that party. So that party was in September, so it was a little cooler. Everyone here had a collared shirt on, but they have hoodies over. But if you can see, everyone's wearing UFO pants. My friend Erica, Emily, and Asia. Can't see their pants. And then here was the pre-flyer for that event. Sometimes people would hand out little flyers before you got the big one. And here are some people dancing at that event. If you could see, stripes were pretty popular. And he's got fat pants. UFOs, UFOs. Yeah, okay, so those are the photos I have from that event. And now I'm going to show you the candy that Dan gave me at that event. Was this rainbow binky bracelet. I have restrung this because I wore it so much, and it's getting a little loose again. So this has been loved quite a bit. And I wanted to do like a remake, like my version. So I came up with this. This is the one that I would like to make a tutorial for at the end of the video here. Well, here it might be a little easier to see if I put it on the black. So this is my vintage one from 2001. And this one. So if you can see, these are quite larger in size. This one is a little over 1 inch. And I'm unsure how big this one is. Now I want to talk a little bit about these beads here. I did look, as far as I can tell, I can't find these online. I mean, this size and color. I can find these smaller ones. So I thought if you guys wanted the exact beads that I'm using, because I don't think they make these anymore. I have this whole box full, and I made up a few little bags. So on my Etsy, I'm gonna list these on there. So if you want these exact beads, if not, you could probably find the smaller ones. And also I'm gonna have some pre-made ones, like if you don't want to, purchase these. And I wanted to do this set, so I'm going to show you. But on my store, I'm going to put these too. And this is inspired by my first pacifier necklace, but instead of, I put this jumbo. Instead of a real pacifier, I put a plastic one. But I have all these different colors. I love these. And they glow in the dark, so even better, right? Alright, let's get into making one of these. Okay, for what you're going to need here are 2 of each color, and I have some glow-in-the-dark pony beads I'm going to use, but of course you can use whatever you have on hand. And then I also have a bag of this clear glow-in-the-dark, and I have a string for the bracelet, scissors, and a lighter. And you're going to start with putting on, well, let's start with pink. A pink glow-in-the-dark and a regular glow-in-the-dark. And I have 2 shades of pink here. I'm going to use the hot pink first. The next color is orange. So our pattern is a glow-in-the-dark pink, the regular pacifier. And you're going to do that with each color. Yeah, I love this bracelet so much. Oops, we need blue. Okay, and for the light pink, I don't have a light pink, so we'll just put 2 of these on. Oh, and let me know which bracelet you like better. Do you like the remake or the original? I think I love them both. Oh no. Guys, I'm tripping. Oh, and this would be a fabulous choker too. All right, we're going to tie this. Uh-oh. Well, there goes that. I'll get another one. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And I think I might add some black light footage so you can see what everything looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this little story time, and I'll see you next time.